before. After. I'm on my way to the local guitar store to pick up some fretboard cleaner so I can get this guitar looking real shiny. Support your local music stores. The one in Fargo here is called Flatland Guitar. Pretty nice guys that run the place. I'm gonna go there now and see if I can find some fretboard cleaner. Cleaning kit, care kit, equipment care kit. Anyway, it has fretboard oil, there's a microfiber suede cloth in there, and then there's this the Guitar One. It smells amazing. I can't wait. Got some Diodario, light strings, light gauge. I was told by a guy at Flatland Guitar to go buy naphtha, which is lighter fluid, he said. Apparently that's supposed to clean your fretboard real good. Sunny side. Steel wool, most fine type tape, so that'll be good. I made it out safe. Okay, we'll start by taking the strings off. Here's the before. First, I'm gonna tape everything off so I don't get any steel wool particles in the inside of my guitar, and there's some electronics in there and whatnot, so I just want to tape everything off so I don't mess anything up. All right, now that everything's taped off, I'm gonna go ahead and use the steel wool on the fretboard. You always gotta make sure you go with the grain. So if you go this way, you will scratch your fretboard. So you wanna go with the grain like this. Now that I've steel wooled the fretboard, I'm gonna put a little of this naphtha on there. I'm a little bit nervous to put this on there. It seems pretty intense, but I've heard that this really cleans the fretboard nice, so I'm just gonna dab a little bit of this on there. All right, now for the polish kit that I bought. Comes with a little microfiber cloth that I'll use. That's it. You're gonna wanna let the oil sit on the fretboard for a while to get it soaked in. And now we will polish the rest of the guitar with this stuff. Be sure to get non-stick tape so you don't leave any residue on your guitar. Ooh, it smells super good. You can polish the headstock too if you'd like. Here's the after. Very clean. Beautiful. I've had my guitar since, I don't know, 2015, 2016. Never cleaned the fretboard before. I'm excited to see how it sounds, how it plays. Thanks for watching. If you're watching this to figure out how to clean your own fretboard, go ahead and let me know what type of guitar you have down in the comments. See you in the next video.